Need a UK passport photo? You can easily take a compliant ID photo at home using just your phone. In this guide, I'll show you the correct setup, lighting, and official UK requirements. Taking your own photo is simple when you know the rules. Let's start with what the Home Office expects to see. Before taking the photo, it's important to understand the official UK passport photo requirements to avoid your application being rejected. Your photo must be 35 millimeters wide and 45 high with a plain light background and a neutral facial expression where your eyes are clearly visible. The head must be centered and clearly visible with nothing covering your face or hair. Avoid smiling, tilting your head, or having shadows on your face or background. Simple is always better. One common question is about glasses. Generally, they are not allowed in UK passport photos. The only exception is for medical reasons. If you must wear them, there can be no reflections on the lenses and your eyes must be fully visible. The standard size is precisely 35 millimeters wide and 45 millimeters high. This is the official format for all UK applications. Now, let's set up the perfect place in your home to take your photo. We'll focus on 3 main steps. First, lighting. Stand in a well-lit area, preferably using natural light from a window to avoid harsh artificial glows. Second, your background. Use a plain white or very light-colored wall. Avoid doors or patterns. Third, make sure there are no shadows on your face or on the wall behind you. Even lighting is key. You can take a professional-grade photo using any modern smartphone. Here is how to set it up. Place your phone on a stable surface at eye level and stand about 1 to 1.5 meters away. Look directly at the camera. Keep your expression neutral and your mouth closed. Don't forget to relax. Take several photos. Having options will help you choose the one that's most likely to be accepted. If you don't have a tripod, just take a selfie or ask a friend or family member to take the photo for you. Once you have your photo, you can use the official UK government tool to check if it's likely to pass. Simply upload your photo and the tool will automatically analyze it against the required standards. This gives you peace of mind before you submit your final passport application. For an easier solution, use Photobooth online. It automatically removes the background and crops the photo for you to meet the UK passport photo standards. This helps you avoid common mistakes like incorrect sizing or shadows, ensuring a perfect result every time. And that's it. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your application.